Managing payroll in Xero Australia is a straightforward process. Today, I'll guide you through the steps. Begin by logging into your Xero account and navigating to the Payroll menu. If you haven't set up Payroll yet, you'll be prompted to do so. Follow the prompts to enter your business details, tax information, and employee details. After setting up Payroll, add your employees to Xero by entering their personal information, including their full name, address, TFN, superannuation details, employment details, and pay rate. Create pay templates for different types of employees, such as full-time, part-time, and casual, including details about pay rates, allowances, deductions, and superannuation contributions. To process pay runs, go to the Payroll menu and select Pay Runs. Click on Create to start a new pay run, select the employees you want to pay, and enter their hours worked, leave taken, and any other relevant information. Review the pay run summary for accuracy, then click Finalize to complete the pay run. After finalizing the pay run, you can pay your employees through Xero using direct deposit. Alternatively, you can print paychecks if needed. Xero will generate a pay slip for each employee, which you can email or print for distribution. Xero also makes it easy to manage superannuation contributions for your employees. Ensure that superannuation payments are made on time and comply with Australian SuperStream requirements. Xero provides various payroll reports that you can generate to track your payroll expenses, tax obligations, and employee earnings over time. Run reports such as payroll summary, payroll activity, employee details, and superannuation to keep track of your payroll information. Additionally, Xero can generate pay withholding reports to help you prepare and lodge your pay withholding obligations with the Australian Taxation Office. Stay up to date with changes to Australian payroll legislation and ensure that your payroll practices comply with relevant laws and regulations.